this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the
Guys, come. Alam nyo ba? Yung abot matatanaw ninyo, hindi akin yan. Sa Pilipinas yan eh. Only in the Philippines.